The Denon AVR-X1700H AV receiver is truly worth owning for anyone looking to elevate their home theater experience. If you are curious about the latest price of this AV receiver, you can check it out from the description below. This receiver brings high-performance 7-channel amplification, delivering 80 watts per channel for rich, immersive sound that fills your room with precision whether you're watching movies, playing games, or enjoying music. It's designed to handle full 3D audio, including Dolby Atmos, DTS, X, and even Dolby Atmos Height Virtualization, which creates a lifelike height effect without additional speakers. The AVR-X1700H is 8K ready, featuring 3 dedicated 8K HDMI inputs and 1 output, supporting 8K per 60 Hz and 4K per 120 Hz pass-through along with 8K upscaling. It handles HDR10, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and HLG, ensuring your movies and shows are displayed with stunning clarity, vibrant color, and deep contrast. Setting it up is straightforward thanks to the award-winning on-screen quick setup guide, and the back panel layout is color-coded for easy organization. Multi-room streaming is a highlight, letting different family members enjoy music or movies in separate zones through Wi-Fi, AirPlay 2, or Bluetooth without interruptions. Voice control is fully supported with Alexa, and the unit integrates smoothly with major smart home systems for remote monitoring and automation. The receiver also offers versatile connection options including 6 HDMI inputs, 1 output, analog and digital connections, phono input for turntables, and 2 pre-outs for subwoofers. While it's feature-packed, beginners may need some time to explore all the advanced settings. Overall, the Denon AVR-X1700H combines incredible audio and video performance, connectivity flexibility, and smart automation support. For anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup, this receiver is a solid investment. Make sure to check the link in the description below to see the current price.